Hello, this is Songblings. Today, I'll be making botanical mother-of-pearl earrings and a bracelet pendant. First, I cut the mother-of-pearl into square shapes using a coping saw on a jeweler's bench pin. Next, I sand the cut edges until the corners and surfaces are smooth and no sharp areas remain. To turn the hexagonal mother-of-pearl piece into a bracelet pendant, I drill approximately 1 mm holes on both sides so that the knotting cords can pass through. Now, I prepare everything needed for the resin work. You will need a work mat, UV lamp, UV resin, tweezers, wooden sticks, wire cutters, and other basic tools. For the design, I prepare 1 mm metal chain, acrylic flowers, dried leaves, micro pearls, and other decorative materials. First, I wrap the metal chain around the edges of the square mother-of-pearl pieces to create a more decorative border. I apply resin along the edge of the mother-of-pearl, cure each side under the UV lamp, and then neatly trim the chain. After that, I apply another layer of resin over the chain and cure it again. Now I add resin to the surface of the mother-of-pearl and begin arranging the design. To complement the silver chain, I add an apricot-colored flower, light green leaves, and micro pearls, and then cure the design under the UV lamp. Apply another layer of resin around the border and cure it under the UV lamp to finish the edges. Next, arrange a design that complements the hexagonal mother-of-pearl piece and cure it again. Be careful not to let any resin flow into the holes. If resin gets into the holes and hardens, you will need to drill them again with a hand drill, so it is best to work carefully. Spread another even layer of resin over the hexagonal piece and cure it thoroughly until it becomes firm. Now everything is finished. The earrings are complete. Attach the sterling silver earring posts to the back using instant adhesive. Then, apply resin around the base of each post and over the back surface, and cure it under the UV lamp. The additional resin helps secure the earring posts more firmly. Because they are made with mother of pearl, the earrings have a luminous, delicate, clear, and elegant appearance. After finishing, check once more for any sharp edges. If you find any, sand them down, apply resin only to that area, and cure it again. Now the earrings are completely finished. Here is how they look when worn. What do you think? Don't they look so elegant and luxurious? Thank you for watching. See you again next time.